In this tutorial, I am going to introduce you what is JavaScript DOM. The full form of JavaScript DOM is Document Object Model. As you know, the most strong point of JavaScript is events. With that, JavaScript have another strong point, which is DOM. And we can do a lot of stuff if we combine these two sections. Before we work with DOM, we need to understand what is DOM. And what is DOM tree? DOM is a part of HTML. And the most important part of DOM is document. And inside this document, we have a main tag, which is known as HTML tag. Otherwise, we can call it root tag. And then come to child tag of HTML tag, which is head tag and body tag. Head tag and body tag, they both are siblings. And their parent tag is HTML tag. Now, let's talk about head tag. Title tag is one of the child tag of head tag. And inside this title tag, we can type any text. For example, we just type website. Similarly, in our body tag, we can create multiple child elements. For example, we can create nav tag. It is used for navigation. And a heading tag, h1. And inside the navigation tag, we can use anchor tag as a child. And inside the anchor tag, you can pass any text. In our case, I type about us. Also, we can set an attribute to our anchor tag, which is class, otherwise ID. Similarly, we can pass a text node in our heading tag. Also, we can set an attribute, ID. With that, also we can set another attribute, class, to our heading tag. These attributes are also work as a child tags. All the attribute and elements you can see here, we call all of these nodes in JavaScript. This is element node, this is text node, this is attribute node. Now you might think, what is the usage of it in JavaScript? Here I just introduce you what is DOM tree. Using this DOM tree, you can do two things in JavaScript. At first, you can get data from the DOM tree. Suppose you want to extract the ID name of this attribute. In that case, you need to use get keyword. Especially, get is a method. You can get any value using this method. At the opposite way, if you want to set a new value to your DOM structure, in that case, you need to use set method. You can set a new value to this text, otherwise you can create new node as a child element. Otherwise, you can create a new element inside an element. If you want to create an animation using help of JavaScript, otherwise, if you want to develop games, anything you want to do with your DOM using help of JavaScript, you need to use these two methods, get and set. Also, we can change the attributes using these two methods. You can change class, ID, elements, whatever you want to change. You can add new HTML element in your document, otherwise you can delete HTML element, otherwise you can delete existing HTML elements. If you want to delete h1 tag, yes, you can delete it. Otherwise, if you want to add another child inside the body tag, yes, you can. So in this tutorial, I just introduce you what is DOM. So from the next tutorial, I am going to show you how we can use it practically. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.